Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Now we're gonna go through lesson 6, making sprites. Oh, exciting. Alright, so yeah, I don't see any block here. Let's go through. Okay, virtual pet. Drag the project to the dog and watch it react. Okay. Drag the objects to the dog. Okay, so we suppose, okay, I need to press, okay, we need to press run. Ooh, cool. Alright, nothing happening. Awesome. Cool. Yeah, it looks fun. I think we're gonna be building some fun game now. Okay, customize greeting card. This program will ask you a couple questions and then create a customized greeting message for you. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I need to press run. Who is having a birthday? Okay, wow, like the effect. Okay, how old will they be? Okay, to the 4. Wow, happy birthday. That's amazing. You guys can make something like this for your friends or for your siblings or your parents, or maybe for Parents' Day, right? Like Father's Day, Mother's Day. Cool. Awesome. Let's do the next one. Click continue. Okay, it looks like we're looking into different projects, right? And then hopefully you get to make them. All right, chatbot. This robot will ask you a question and remember what you type your answer and have a conversation with X9. Okay, enter your name. Oh, it's moving left and right. Just how old are you? Okay, that's secret. Like I am 5 years old. Oh, wow, that's amazing. That's your favorite color, blue. Ooh, I like this program. That's amazing. All right, cool. Continue. Okay, this program will ask you to enter some words and then use this word to tell you a silly story. Party games. A blank space story. Okay, enter an object. What object? Enter an adjective. Okay. If you're honest, if you're hosting a party, make sure to plan. Good games. Okay, cool. Okay, chair. First get people warmed up and round of music. Chair. Cool. Body part. Nice. Next, have them balance standing. Enter a number. So 8. Outside. Okay. What is she doing? That's really fun. Virtual aquarium. I think we just made it in the last lesson. Okay. Fill up your own unique aquarium. Okay. Fish. Camera run. Fish. Okay. This one. Creator. This is so nice. I love this game. A lot of ideas for you guys so far to create something, and you're just gonna learn how to create this. Cam type. Okay, I'm just gonna choose the bunny, and then we just need to move, I think. Okay, I'm just moving my keyboard. Okay, so when you do left right on your keyboard. Okay. Oh, I love this game. I used to play this a lot when we were a kid. The time is 6 seconds. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose this. Okay, run. How do you shoot? Can you shoot or what? Yeah, I don't know how it's supposed to shoot, but yeah, let's finish it. Okay, continue. Yeah, a lot of games for us. Okay, build a computer, collect all the parts, and figure out how to turn on the computer. The mouse. That's really fun. Okay. Continue. There was a lot of fun idea, guys. Okay, now I think now we're gonna go into the challenge. Now we're gonna make something. Okay, making sprites. To make a sprite, open the sprite category of the toolbox and drag out a block. Okay. Sprite. Okay, making new. Okay, and then we can change background to this maybe. I don't even know. Okay, let's leave it like that. Okay, and I think that's for the first one. Okay, continue. So now positioning, I think we talked about it before. So you can see the location X, Y, so 200, 200. So that's the center of this. And then if you want to change the location, you click this, and then you can just click wherever you want. Cool. Run. Okay, continue. Now let's add even more sprites to this program. Click the image to the right, expand it. Make 4 sprites, choose any you like, and then position each one in a different corner. Okay, so we do make, okay, just grab 4 first, and then we can change later, right? So do strawberry, burger, banana, and then let's do this, and then you're gonna put them on 4 corners. So it's gonna put this here, this here, this here, and cupcake here. Okay, I think that was our task. Let's go next. Cool. Sprite properties. Sprites have more properties, including size, that can be set with the code. Okay, do this. I use a set size block. Okay, so see, set size block to resize the second sprite. You can make it bigger or smaller. In the default sprite size is 100, so choose any other number. Okay, so this one, okay, see this one is bigger, 250, right? The default is 100, right? So you can do sprite set this to 50, so it'll be even smaller, or we can make it the same size of the other one. Cool. So now behavior, right? So we can add, as we see on the last lesson, we can change the behavior. And then, so if you go to sprite, oh no, it's on the behavior. So we can say this begins, and then in behavior it has like glowing, moving east, you can shrinking, spinning. So let's do growing. Okay, and then see, let's keep growing. Awesome. And if we had event, we could do like at some certain second, we could make it grow, move, or all those things. Cool. So run. Cool. Continue. Start scene to this. Make 4 sprite. Choose any costumes you like. Position in different corner. Change the size to make final image more realistic. Okay. All right. Cool. So we make new. Let's just make new sound. Make 4, right? Make 4. So this one I can move it maybe here. Okay. And then change the cactus location to okay. Let's do here, and then we can change the size later on. What is this actually? Oh, the helicopter. Okay. Let's get another helicopter, and then we can change the size. Okay, sun 50 looks good. Well, I actually want the sun at the same size, and the sprite. Okay, I think it looks good now. And then we also can change the size of this airplanes. Okay, I'm happy with this size. And then the red one. Okay, yeah, I think it's more realistic now. Cool, awesome. So play around with Sprite. I'll help you with setting your game. Yeah, fun. Okay, so move one of your sprite into the bottom right of the screen. Okay, why do I need that? 300. Yeah. It went in a different corner, right? So what can we do is okay, this is just sitting here. Okay, now size again. So we need to set size, add 2 set size block to the program, and make the strawberry sprite smaller, make the banana sprite bigger. Okay. Can sprite a strawberry smaller. And you want to make the apple, make the banana, okay, not this. Banana bigger, just to 150. Okay. Awesome. So animate this sailing ship, right? Make a new ship sprite. So you take the love it, and then we can move here somewhere. Not here. Be top. Okay. So it's up on the water. Okay. Make the sprite move across the scene with the behavior. So we begin behavior. Okay. And the second viewer, so we are floating to make the shape more. Okay, so we can do another behavior. Okay, good. That's good. Awesome. Okay, Trizzy do this. Add the sprite begins block for each sprite. Custom union program. Pick a behavior. Okay, pick the cloud. Move across the screen. So begin. What you do with the sun? The sun spin. Behavior. The spinning left. Okay. And we do a cloud. Move across the screen. And we do for butterfly. We can make butterfly wandering. Cool. The next one, free play, make a scene. Okay. That's a free play, so we can get whatever you want, and then we can just do it here, like an apple on the plant. And then what sprites we have. Okay. Sprites, make new. Is it a broccoli? Yeah, so yeah, play around with this. I'm just gonna go to the next one. That's nothing yet. Ah, so this was previous one had a hint. No, it doesn't, but the next one we'll have kind of, it's a free play, but we get to do stuff, right? Change the background to the similar one, and we have a different sprite. So let's get this one and then change the location to this corner. Okay, a bit up maybe. If I wanna follow the other one. Okay. Okay. Lower. Okay. I think I'm happy with this. And then let's add a behavior. So behavior, this guy moving is done looping, and then we have another fish, so make another sprite. This guy, put the location here. I'm gonna add a behavior for him. Western looping. And there's a crab. I'm just going east. Okay. Sprite, make a new crab here on the floor, and then for the crab, the behavior is moving east and looping. Okay, let's run. Okay, so we can actually change this a bit here so they don't seem like robotic, right? Okay. Cool, awesome. We just recreated this one. Cool. Play around with this. If you want, you can remix it, add a behavior. If you do remix it, leave it a share your work with me in the comment section. Cool, awesome. Let's go to the next one. There's another free play. Okay, so yeah, play around with it. Set a background, add sprite, give them costumes and location. Okay, sprite. This sprite, this size, and probably look at this size, and then add a behavior. Just to. What is fluttering? Yeah, so yeah, that's a free play. Do whatever you want to do. If you want to remix, add events, do it. If you want to share with me. Remix it here. So I'll delete this because I don't need it. So do remix. We're doing remix because then we'll have all of the blocks that we need. So now we're gonna go sprites. Let's see, we have those characters or not. We don't. Okay, so I'm just gonna go custom new. So we have cat, right? Cat and cupcakes. I'm just gonna search here cat. We clicked it, and then cupcake. All right, this one, cupcake, done. I'm just gonna go to code again. So we got these two sprites. So go, okay, make new. So let's set the background first. The background was kind of bluish. So I'm just gonna go set background color to this color, okay, like this one. And then now we're gonna get other sprites. So I'll get the cupcake first, the cat first, and the cat was somewhere here. So you can probably put it somewhere here, okay. And then let's add some behavior. So begin behavior fluttering, okay. And then so it has this kind of effect, right? So let's go, let's see, is that on. So this has this kind of behavior, right? And then now when we move keyboard, it can move left, right, up and down, right? So let's add this. Okay, so we go event. So we go when up, we want it to move. So when press up, when to move. Okay, so we're gonna move 10 pixels. We can move 5 pixels to north, and instead of when, we can do while. Okay, so now that means when we press up key, so run up key, it does. It's not this, it's the cat, right? So run, it's going up. So now we'll add all the others. So copy this 4 times because we need to go 4. Okay, I'll just bring it here. Times, and then I'm just gonna copy this. So while down, just need to go south, while left, just need to go west, and we'll right, it goes south. Okay, so now let's check it. This is going up, down. Okay, so this is not south, this is east. So run up, down, right, left. Okay, so that's all good. So we have our cat moving all four sides. So now we need to add the cupcakes, right? So we go sprite, make cupcake. So you do, let's do 50 cupcake. Okay, that's too big, so we need to change size. So we go sprite, set size to 50. I think that looks good. Run. Yeah, that looks like the size. And then now we need to make some action, right? So we go sprite, it begins. So it was coming from the west, so we can go behavior, moving west and looping. Okay, we do this, so it's coming, but it's a bit slower, right? So what can you do is, see the edit sign, you can press the edit and we can change this 5 to 10 to make it a bit faster. So when you're done, you can press close. So now it's coming. Okay, now we're going to make it disappear like here. So run, so when we touch, make the cupcake disappear. Okay, so we go here. So now I'm just gonna move this to make more space. All right, so we do go event when touches. So when the cat touches the cupcake, we want to remove, right? So remove not all, we want to remove only this object. Okay, so press run, see how it start to remove now. Okay, cool. So halfway there. So now we need to set score, right? So if we see here, it gives us score, so we need to finish the game. So what can we do here is we can use a trick. So we can use this add second. So add, so we can check every second whether how many cupcake we have. So we can go logic, if we have like a 0 cupcake, then the game finished, right? So we go, where is it, number of cupcake is 0, that means the game finished, right? So we want to show, like we show some title, it's game over, so you win. And let's see how it works. Okay, we have to reset, right? Like if we don't reset, it just adding the sound at 1 second, it's just gonna do it one, and then it's not gonna do it anymore. So we can do a reset timer. So if 0 is gonna go this, if not, it's just gonna reset the timer. So let's try it again. It says you win, right? So we're halfway there. So now we need to show the time. Cool. So what can we do is we can create a variable. So when the game start, we set a variable to, like, so let's say it's I to 0, and every time we do this check, we increase the number when this thing is not. So I can copy this. So that means when the number is not equal to 0, that means when there's still cupcake, we'll increase the timer, right? So we can do variable change I by 1, and when it's not, then we'll only reset timer. So there's two things. When it's equal to 0, we finish the game. When it's not, we'll just increase the timer, so we can show the time here. So we can show, okay, we don't need this block. We can get another one. Put it here, so showing your time. And then we can grab the variable, I, and then we can add extra bit of text. So we do space seconds. Okay, let's run this and then see how we did. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel, and I'll send this link. You can share this, right? So I'll send this link to the comments in the description. You can play around with this, and if you end up making something, please post it in the comment. I'll see you on the next time. Bye.